Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on this eye look right here. It is extremely gorgeous, super glam, and at the same time very easy to do. Trust me when I tell you, this look is super easy to pull off and super easy to do actually. So it's going to be a really quick tutorial, so let's get right into it. And as always, if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from me. And do follow me on Instagram as well. Like I always mention, I do a lot of quick tutorials and videos and skincare and stuff like that on Instagram. This is my handle right here. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Let's start. Starting by using that really warm orange shade from the Morphe 35W palette, I'm just going to apply that with the MAC 24 into my crease. Just going to make sure that it's well blended, after which I'm taking that brown shade and I'm going to be applying it to the outer corner of my eyes. Once again, you want to make sure that the intensity is well intense, and then with whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to swipe it across my entire eye. Moving on, I'm using this pigment from Inglot, for which I'm going to wet my brush. It's a synthetic hair brush, and I'm just going to dip it into that pigment and start to apply it from the center of my eye. Kind of move on, go ahead, apply it to the rest of my eye. Now sometimes for pigments, when I'm not really happy with the pigmentation of the pigment, I kind of go ahead and also spray some water onto the pigment directly itself. That is what I've done for this, and it's given me an amazing intensity, like you can see. Now I'm just taking a clean brush and I'm just kind of blending off the harsh edges. I'm taking that same brown color and I'm just going to be applying it on my lower lash line. I want to make sure that I don't go into my waterline, and just kind of apply it under my waterline, like you can see. Moving on, I'm taking that light gold shade from the same palette and I'm just going to apply it as a highlight shade under my brow bone. After which, I'm moving to the last step, second to last step, and I'm just going to apply generous coats of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Post which, I'm taking these amazing lashes from Winsome Story in the style Posh, and I've applied them to my eyes, and we're done, guys. How easy was that? I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.